Hello to everyone, our dear Stockler community. We find ourselves here today in the north of France, in Liège, inside our warehouse, in order to present to you a brand new lot from the seller Grover. Now Grover, whom you already know very well, is the European leader in the rental and the sale of high-tech products. So here we're going to present a new lot of televisions in non-functional condition, These products mainly come from customer returns, so from rental returns. And so the non-functional quality therefore presents products that potentially have broken components, defective components, or products that no longer turn on or have cosmetic defects. So, for example, right over here, we are going to find a television set from the brand Samsung, which is completely, which is non-functional, but which from an aesthetic point of view shows practically no visible defects or any flaws at all. The TV comes with the stand and the remote, but it doesn't have a power cable, for example. Okay, so right over here, you're going to be able to find a television set from the Fire brand. So we can see right here in particular the various details of a non-functional condition. So we are going to be able to see some defects, aesthetic defects, along with some visible scratches. Over here as well, there is some breakage on the corners, of the television set itself. And you will also be able to spot some noticeable scratches on the upper right-hand corner of the television screen too.
So it's quite clear then that this TV was used.
Here, similarly, a television from a rental return. So we'll conclude with a third TV, a Philips brand, still in a non-functional state. So we can see here that there are scratches on the TV, on the main screen. So small scratches are visible. The general condition all around the outside is absolutely perfect. In this particular case, it is really on the main screen where we see the issues. We are going to find a few small scratches and some dust, quite obviously, due to the logistics and the cardboard boxes. So there you go. You have now been able to get a first look at a representative sample of this entire lot right here in front of us. So please don't hesitate to go ahead and download the Excel file that you can find in the description. You will find the complete list of all the rental times for every single one of the television sets. And of course, if you have any questions, feel free to ask them directly right there in the chat. And so there you have it. So happy bidding to you and see you soon on Stockler.